The next step in the carving out time for yourself mission is to assess, are you carving out the right amount of time? And this is something I recommend that you do at least once a season. Especially, like, if we're looking at something here that's like a 5-year project, it makes sense that right now you'd build up to more time, and then the closer you are to the performance, you'd be spending more time, right? But I would also imagine it would be like this sort of thing where it's like this, like now, it gets bigger, you have like a peak, then you have a dip before the final push, so that you can, okay, I'm gonna rejuvenate, and then my final push to like the show, that sort of thing. But what is important now, I think, is ensuring that you're meeting the goals that are what are appropriate goals for your outcomes are. I think your first goal was carving out the time. Looks like you've done that, so good job. Next step, maybe next month, look at, okay, how much time do I really want to be carving out? And then the other piece of it is, because this is a multi-dimensional project, are you carving out the time that you need for the other aspects of the project as well? Yes. These things all matter. It's a lot. The life of an artist. It's wonderful. We love it.